Imagine a bustling marketplace, alive with the vibrant colors of numerous stalls, the air echoing with loud shouts and endless chatter of bustling vendors. Amidst this cacophony, meet our young friend, Timmy. He has a small booth tucked away in a forgotten corner. With eyes filled with dreams, Timmy stands hopeful, but his booth often gets overshadowed by the towering stalls of popular, noisy vendors, flaunting common toys. However, one fine morning, with the first rays of the sun casting a golden glow, Timmy stumbles upon a hidden path. A path leading to a serene, quiet corner of the market, where curious buyers wander with twinkling eyes, searching for unique, enchanting toys away from the maddening crowd. The idea tickles Timmy's imagination and fills his heart with a new spark. This could be his golden chance to turn his small booth into a wonderland of unique toys, attracting those seeking something special. Today, on Millionaire Ventures Online, we are about to embark on an exciting adventure alongside Timmy. We'll traverse through the hidden paths leading to the quiet corners in the vast, buzzing marketplace of Shopify dropshipping. Here lies the treasure trove of low-competition niches, awaiting to be discovered, promising a bounty of higher profit margins, and a chance for Timmy to fill his little chest with golden coins of success. So, are you ready to dive into this adventure and unveil the secrets that can transform Timmy's small booth into the go-to spot for unique finds? Hit that subscribe button, join the vibrant community of Millionaire Ventures Online. And let's together help Timmy, and many young dreamers like him, find their own quiet corner in the bustling marketplace of Shopify dropshipping. Embarking on the adventure. When we talk about low-competition niches, we mean areas in the online market where not many sellers are offering products, but many buyers are looking for them. It's like having a lemonade stand on a hot day in a park where no one else is selling drinks. You don't have to compete with a bunch of other lemonade stands, so more people come to your stand to buy lemonade. In the world of Shopify dropshipping, finding a low-competition niche is like finding that spot in the park, where no one else is selling lemonade, but everyone is thirsty. It's about selling something unique or uncommon, which not many other stores are selling. So you attract more buyers and make more money with less competition. Now, you might wonder, why Shopify, and what's this dropshipping we're talking about? Well, let's stroll down that lane for a moment. In the old days, Timmy had to buy toys, keep them in his little booth, and hope they'd find new homes soon. This was a bit heavy on his pockets as unsold toys just sat there gathering dust. But then, Shopify dropshipping sailed into view. It's a magical setup where Timmy can display the toys in his booth, but he doesn't have to buy them unless someone else decides to buy. This way, Timmy doesn't have to worry about unsold toys. It's all about showcasing the toys, taking orders, and then having the toys sent straight from the toy maker to the happy children. And Shopify? It's the friendly marketplace that makes all this possible with just a few clicks. Finding the hidden path. Now, the question is, how do you find these low-competition niches? Just like how you'd use a map to find a cool spot in a park. You can use tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to find your unique selling spot in the online market. These tools help you see what people are searching for but not finding easily. For instance, when you type handcrafted wooden toys into Google Trends, you might find that a lot of people are looking for these toys, but not many stores are selling them. This could be your hidden path to a low-competition niche where you can start selling handcrafted wooden toys on your Shopify store. Besides Google Trends and Keyword Planner, there are other treasure troves of information. Websites like Reddit, Trend Hunter, and Kickstarter are great places to spot emerging trends. And don't forget Etsy, a realm where unique and handcrafted items reign. These sites can be your compass in navigating the vast digital marketplace, helping you uncover what unique products people are yearning for. With fewer stores selling the same toys, you get more buyers coming to your store. And you don't have to worry about lowering your prices to beat the competition. This way, you get to keep a good chunk of the money from each sale, making your adventure into Shopify dropshipping a rewarding journey. Setting up the unique booth. Discovering a hidden corner in the market is just the start. Now it's about setting up a booth that not only stands out but invites people to come and see what unique items are on offer. In the Shopify dropshipping world, your store is your booth, and the products you choose to sell are the unique toys that will draw buyers in. It's crucial to pick products that are not only unique, but also in demand. For instance, if you find that handcrafted wooden toys are a hit, that's what you should have in your store. But having the right products isn't enough. Pricing them correctly is equally important. Price them too high, and buyers might stroll past your booth. Price them too low, and you might not make enough to keep the booth running. It's about finding that sweet spot where buyers feel they're getting value, and you're making a good profit. This new way of doing things, dropshipping, it's like a breath of fresh air. Traditional e-commerce would have Timmy buying toys first, which eats up space and money. But dropshipping is a light-footed dance. Timmy only buys the toy once his customers buy them. This way, he's not juggling unsold toys, and his coins stay with him till they need to roll. It's a smart move, cutting down costs and keeping things simple and neat. Plus, Shopify makes it easy peasy, providing the stage for Timmy's booth and making sure everything runs smoothly. And remember, it's not just about the price, it's about how you present it. A well-described product with clear, attractive images can justify a higher price because buyers can see the value they are getting. Attracting the curious buyers. Now that the booth is set up, it's time to attract buyers with its unique toys. Here, social media and SEO, search engine optimization, work wonders. Picture a charming Instagram post showing a child's joy while exploring a handcrafted wooden toy from your booth. This image, resonating with joy, spreads across the digital realm, piquing the interest of potential buyers and guiding them to your booth. In the captivating world of SEO, the right keywords in your product descriptions and titles act like breadcrumbs in the vast digital marketplace. When buyers search for unique toys online, these breadcrumbs lead them directly to your booth, steering them away from the noisy crowd. Both social media and SEO serve as your loudspeakers, broadcasting your unique offerings across the online market. They spotlight your booth in this quiet market corner. Through engaging posts and SEO magic, the route to your booth becomes an enticing journey for buyers, drawing them away from the competition. As more buyers discover your booth, word of their delightful find spreads, inviting more curious seekers to your doorstep. Growing the treasure chest. As the buzz around your unique toys grows, so does the crowd at your booth. Each satisfied buyer not only contributes to your profits but shares the charm of your booth with others, turning it into a delightful story shared widely. The journey evolves as you introduce more unique toys, keeping the excitement alive and converting first-time buyers into loyal visitors. Your booth, once humble, now thrives in this quiet market corner, turning each day into an opportunity for buyers to dive into a world of unique finds. As you open your booth each morning, the adventure unfolds, with more stories waiting to be discovered in this realm you've created, flourishing through the magic of low competition. Wow, we've traveled far with Timmy's tale, haven't we? From a small booth in a crowded marketplace to becoming the heartbeat of a quiet corner, Timmy's journey is packed with lessons. It's a shining example of the magic waiting in the less crowded corners of Shopify dropshipping, the low competition niches where unique treasures await. Now, it's your turn to step into Timmy's shoes, venture into the quiet corners, and uncover the hidden treasures of Shopify dropshipping. The path is now lit, all it awaits is your first step. And as you step into this exciting world, remember, you're not alone. Many more adventures await here on Millionaire Ventures Online. Hit that subscribe button, join us on this exciting voyage, and together let's uncover more secrets to building a thriving booth amidst the bustling marketplace of e-commerce. With every new episode, we'll explore more corners, discover more treasures, and add more golden coins to our treasure chests.